here are the 7 amazing robotic animals that you must see. Almost everything has been replaced by robotics, and now the wildlife is being replaced by robots as well. If things continue as they are, genuine animals will eventually be replaced by robots. Join us in this crazy adventure, and this number 1 will definitely knock you off it. Keep watching. Number 7 is Dell Dolphin. Dell's medical-grade silicone skin and natural-looking mechanical motions are what make her so amazing. They make it almost difficult to tell her from a genuine dolphin based on just appearance. According to Edge Innovations, Dell the robotic dolphin is brought to life using a combination of puppetry, programming, and artificial intelligence. Given that it's meant to instill respect for living things in school children, the animatronic teaching tool appears to be a good addition to PETA. Edge Innovations is optimistic that someday mechanical dolphins will take the place of real dolphins that are currently used in marine park attractions. Number 6 is Bionic Ants. A swarm of bionic ants, robot ants approximately the size of a human hand, was developed by the German company Festo. Unnervingly, resemble a giant version of its insect ancestors. The bionic ants are designed to replicate the intellect of their human counterparts, including their capacity to cooperate or to do incredibly difficult tasks like moving items that are considerably bigger than themselves. The swarm functions as a little production powerhouse by communicating via a wireless network. Festo's goal is to develop intelligent robots that might pave the way for future factories staffed totally by autonomous workers by employing a variety of sophisticated algorithms. Number 5 is Bionic Kangaroos. The Bionic Kangaroo can precisely imitate the way actual kangaroos hop. It can effectively store energy from one jump and use it to power subsequent ones. It goes without saying that an internal power source is also required, and Bionic Kangaroo depends on either a tiny compressor or storage tank to supply pressurized air for the mechanical muscles that power the hopping. A complex kinematic control system prevents the robot from tipping over, and lightweight batteries power everything. Number 4 is the Mini Cheetah. A great gymnast range of motion could be compared to MIT's new small Cheetah robot, which is springy and light on its feet. The 4-legged power pack is able to walk upright or upside down by bending and swinging its legs wide. Approximately twice as quickly as a typical person can walk, the robot can gallop over rough ground. The robot can rapidly right itself after being knocked down with the ground with a fast kung fu-like movement of its elbows. Its capacity to compete an almost 360-degree backflip in a position of standing is arguably its most astounding feat. Number 3 is the Scorpion Hexapod. The robotic Scorpion was made with just digital production methods and readily available components in order to be repeatable and adaptive as feasible. These production methods make sure that the robot and all of its parts are simple to replicate and modify, enabling anybody to construct a personalized Hexapod robot or optimize the robot in future use. This groundbreaking design will serve as an educational ambassador, assisting Ghent University's industrial design program in its promotion. This demonstrates how high-tech projects and robots may be innovatively used to accomplish chores or solve issues as well as to spread awareness. Number 2 is the Spot Mini. With Spot, a swift mobile robot with unmatched mobility over terrain, you can automate regular inspection chores and data collection in a way that's reliable, frequent, and safe. With its 5 degrees of freedom, arm, and perception sensors, Spot has all the versatility of its older sibling, Spot Classic, and can pick up and handle items. The sensors, which aid in navigation and manipulation, comprise of stereo cameras, depth cameras, an IMU, and position sensors in the limbs. Number 1 on the list is the Titanoboa. Over the course of nearly a year, the Eat Art Foundation has employed a group of over 30 volunteers to construct the Titanoboa. It features 7 microcontrollers that work together as robot brains, 30 lightweight welded aluminum vertebrae that serves as the snake's muscles, and 60 hydraulic cylinders that serves as the snake's robot brains. A seemingly limitless but well-organized network of tubes and cables serve as the veins and transmit hydraulic oil, or so-called blood, of the snake along the body of the robot. It may move in serpentine-like fashion like a genuine snake because of all these parts and the bottom rollers. The driver of the Titanoboa uses a joystick and a remote control to manipulate the beast while it's making decisions about where the snake's head will go. Soon, if we're lucky, we'll live in a world with a significant mechanical population. These animal robots are evidence that it has already occurred. And don't forget to comment down below on the robot that amazed you the most.